Good morning, everybody, my supporters, my haters, friends, whatever, everyone in the same group. Happy Thanksgiving, first of all. So it was Thanksgiving in the US, right? So there's some wisdom I want to bestow on everybody today. Now, coming through the charts right now, what you're going to notice is that there were moves on the pound, on the euro. So I want to talk about based on market volumes and sessions, right? So if we take a look at gold, now gold is dropping, that's based on different fundamental factors. But the most important is you have to realize is that since you're coming into the New York session, you have to understand there was Thanksgiving yesterday, right? Now today, not even it's the end of the week, it's the end of the month. And also it's the day after Thanksgiving. Now on Thanksgiving, banks were closed, institutions were closed, there was less volume coming in. Today, there will be volume, but it's going to be less, right? The only volume you're going to see is going to be on the pound, on the euro, closer to London close, because New York is going to be working at less volume. So if you're looking for trades in the New York session today, first of all, I'd say it's a Friday. It's a Friday. Call it a day. Look over your past trades. See how you could have done things better, and then move on to the next week, right? But other than that, volume, you're probably going to see by London close and stuff like that. So whenever you have holidays like this, just don't be enticed to go in trades. Whenever you see something move really fast, just stay calm. Stay calm, sit back, and just understand why is it moving, or how could you have been a part of that rather than chase it. Got it? So see you next week, Monday morning.